What's up everyone, welcome to another ES Tech video. In this video we will be making a portable LED flashlight from nothing but cheap scrap parts. Let's get to it. We'll need an LED board of some type, make sure it's reasonably bright, a 9 volt to 5 volt or 3.3 volt voltage regulator, a DC barrel jack, and a 9 volt battery connector. We'll connect a red female wire to the 5 volt out of the voltage regulator, followed by a black or blue wire for the ground output of the regulator. The barrel jack can now be soldered up to the 9 volt battery connector. If your barrel jack is not color-coded, it can be helpful to test the polarity using a multimeter. To do this, test which wire connects to the metal on the outside of the barrel jack connector. Whichever one connects to the outside metal is your ground. The power input wires of the LED board can now be soldered up to some pin connectors so it can later be connected to the voltage regulator. Now we can connect the LED board to the output of the voltage regulator, being careful of the polarity. Red for positive, black for negative or ground. Lastly, we can connect up the barrel jack to the input of the power regulator, and that's the circuitry for this project completed. We can hook up a 9 volt battery to the connector to see it light up for testing purposes. Later, we will be building it into a much better enclosure. To make the enclosure, we'll need something with a handle. I used the plastic part of a pet hair lint roller, and we will need 2 zip ties, or more or less depending on the size of your handle. Next, we'll take some electrical tape and wrap it around the power wires for the LED board to insulate them and prevent them from touching and shorting out. Now we'll begin working on the enclosure. We'll start by hot gluing the LED board to the front or top of the handle, but of course you can put it somewhere else depending on where you want it. Now we can wrap the power output wires of the voltage regulator around the handle as many times as it'll go, just to keep things neat. And then we can glue the power regulator in place. Once again, we can plug the battery in just to make sure it still works. Always worth testing. Now we can zip tie the battery in place and hot glue the connector to the handle. The LED flashlight is now complete. To turn it on, we can pop in the barrel jack, and to turn it back off, we can just half unplug it. Out at night for a midnight soldering session? No problem here. Although I seriously wouldn't recommend soldering in such dim light. So there you have it. That's how to build your very own portable LED flashlight. Hope you enjoyed. You've been watching ES Tech, and for more videos just like this one, be sure to subscribe. I'll see you next time.